Home Remedies presents.
Just 2 drops of castor oil at night can trigger powerful changes in your body. What if I told you that just 2 drops of castor oil before bed could support better sleep, healthier joints, smoother digestion, glowing skin, and even stronger hair? Sounds unbelievable, right? Castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices, and even today, experts continue to be surprised by how powerful and versatile this simple oil really is. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, which city and country are you watching from? And have you heard of castor oil remedies before? Or is this your first time? Let's explore 7 powerful reasons why castor oil is often applied at night and how to use it correctly. Reason 1. Supports better sleep. Sleep problems are extremely common. Difficulty falling asleep, waking up repeatedly, or feeling tired the next day can seriously affect daily life. Castor oil is known for its calming properties. When used externally at night, it may help relax the nervous system and promote a more peaceful sleep. How to use? Take 1 to 2 drops of cold-pressed castor oil. Gently apply it around the eyelids, not inside the eyes, before bedtime. If you prefer aromatherapy, mix a few drops of castor oil with lavender or rose oil. Massage lightly onto the temples before sleep. Have you ever tried a natural sleep remedy before? Let me know below. Reason 2. Improves joint comfort. Castor oil has long been used to support joint health. It is valued for its warming and soothing effect when applied topically. When massaged into joints, it may help reduce stiffness, improve flexibility, support circulation around the area. How to use? Warm a small amount of castor oil. Massage gently onto knees, elbows, or stiff joints. Cover with a cloth and leave it on overnight. Many people report feeling more comfortable movement by morning. Reason 3. Supports digestive health. Castor oil is well known for its effect on digestion, especially when it comes to occasional constipation. It helps stimulate natural intestinal movement and supports waste elimination. Important note: internal use should always be done carefully and not frequently. Dosage for occasional use only. Adults, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, taken once, preferably at night. Drink warm water afterward. Do not use daily, and do not exceed the amount. Have you ever tried a natural method for digestion? Comment yes or no. Reason 4. Deeply moisturizes dry skin. If you struggle with dry, flaky, or rough skin, castor oil can be a natural solution. It helps lock in moisture and supports skin softness without added chemicals. How to use? Mix a few drops of castor oil with coconut or almond oil. Apply to dry areas before bed. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. Always do a small patch test first. Reason 5. Healthier, stronger hair. Castor oil is widely used to support hair strength and shine. It helps soften strands, reduce tangles, and support scalp health. How to use for hair? Massage castor oil into the scalp and hair roots. Apply lightly to eyebrows or eyelashes if desired. Cover hair with a shower cap and leave overnight. Wash thoroughly in the morning, shampooing twice if needed. Have you tried castor oil for hair before? Tell me your experience below. Reason 6. Relief from constipation. Castor oil works as a natural laxative by stimulating intestinal muscles. It has even been used under medical supervision for bowel preparation. Important guidance. Use only occasionally. Do not exceed recommended amounts. Avoid long-term or frequent use. For daily digestion support, foods like yogurt, fiber-rich soups, and beans are gentler options. Reason 7. Helps with fungal skin issues. Castor oil has traditionally been used to support skin affected by fungal problems. When applied externally, it may help reduce discomfort, soothe dryness and flaking, support skin recovery. How to use: apply a thin layer to the affected area. Leave on overnight. Repeat daily until improvement is noticed. Final tips: always choose high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil. Avoid overuse. If you have a medical condition, consult a professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. And tell me in the comments, which remedy surprised you the most today? See you in the next video.